Hey everybody, Roger Health Snake Pit here, and time for another copper melt. Alright, well, we will see how long it takes to melt this 9.2 ounces, so just a little over half a pound. Alright, well, that was melted in 5 minutes, no problem. So we'll keep loading her up and get a pour on. Probably about 5 minutes and we'll be done with this pour, and we'll start another one.
Oh wow. It's gonna sizzle. It's gonna sizzle. Oh my god.
Now, check this out. These players. Yeah. It's the only drawback is that. It's kind of cool.
No, yeah, that's actually sweet.
Throw another one in.
Yeah. Oh, let me do it. How often do you do this? Do you do it? Alrighty, so just
Grab the
walk
pla-
me
It
through
doesn't
here.
matter which one. You grab a bar, and then yeah, those channel locks have been pissing me off. But yeah, you can just set it in there and swish it, and and then watch what it does to the top.
You just want me to go like that,
There,
and
now
then
flip it over.
oh,
That one's yours to keep. Set it right there.
oh wow.
So if you want to do one,
You want to do one?
Sure, yeah.
Do one
hold
here.
the phone.
Well, hang on. I gotta
Actually,
take the
you
glove
can
off.
do it since you have the gloves on.
Are you sure?
Yeah, no, I'm good. I got.
you can trade off, man. No
Yeah,
problem.
do it. Do it.
Okay.
I'll hold it.
I don't know when I'll be out here again. Probably tomorrow, but
Tomorrow. Yeah.
honestly,
Yeah, you're gonna hold my beer too.
One sec. Hang on. I got.
you can get rid of the gloves even.
I got
It's cooled
that.
off enough. It's not gonna.
How often do you do this?
When I have like a spare few hours.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Because it does take a while, correct?
It takes about 45 minutes for that to heat up, maybe an hour.
That's
Okay.
not bad.
And then once it gets there, it's not bad at all.
Oh fuck, this thing's hot.
Right? You can just feel it radiate.
Dude. Oh yeah. This thing's smoking.
Yeah,
Oh,
just
that is so sweet. No way.
flip her
Is
over.
it still?
Oh yeah, it's still hot.
Yeah.
It would set it right there, see if it sinks into the ice at all.
Oh, I dropped it all over. Dude, that is sweet though.
That is cool.
Oh,
Now let it cool. Grab that one for me.
Grab the other
That
one.
one last bar.
you
A
got
little
one.
tiny one right there.
Yeah. Let's see.
See what I mean, Dan? Channel lock. And that one was the coolest.
Yeah.
The smallest one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude,
You
this
can
is
only
this
imagine.
is sweet though. Look at
That
that.
is really
Look at
cool.
the color on that.
Look at
though.
that. That is sweet.
What's the other
Yeah.
side look like? Nothing spectacular.
Yeah.
But
That is
still
cool.
Well, if you use like a Dremel and a polishing pad,
Yeah.
it's like a mirror.
Oh no.
Oh,
right,
yeah.
like
Mirror 'em
that.
up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's super
Wow.
nice. Yeah. Do you want me to just set them on this wood here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we'll make sure. I think yours is cooled off enough, man.
Oh wow.
Let's see. Oh, this one's big. Oh shit. Wow, this water cools it off that quick though, huh?
That's why I use the ice like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just so
I
it,
just had it freeze one big block.
Yeah.
And that's what I brought out to start with.
I mean that
these.
that block's super nice. There.
Well, that one's yours, isn't it?
No. Mine's a smaller one. This one's for sure yours. Can you shine a light in this bucket, Don?
If there's anything else. In
Is there one more? Yeah.
there she
Yeah.
is.
Yeah. That's my little one.
There you go, man.
Oh,
Can we
wow.
seriously have them?
Yeah, yeah.
No way.
Yeah, well,
Okay.
Is that good video?
probably like,
Thank
what the
you.
fuck is this guy want? Is a